Welcome to the introduction to MS PowerPoint 2021 tutorial. In this video, we will explore the powerful feature of MS PowerPoint 2021 and learn how to create compelling presentations that captivate your audience. Let's dive in. MS PowerPoint 2021 is a versatile software application that allows you to create professional presentations for various purposes, whether you need to deliver a business pitch, educate an audience, or showcase your creative work. PowerPoint provides you with the tools to bring your ideas to your life. One of the key features of MS PowerPoint 2021 is its slide-based approach. Each slide serves as a canvas where you can add text, images, charts, and multimedia elements to convey your message effectively. With PowerPoint user-friendly interface, adding content to your slides is a breeze. You can simply click and type to insert text boxes and drag and drop images to create visually engaging slides. PowerPoint also offers powerful data visualization tools. You can create charts, graphs, and tables to present complex information in a clear and concise manner. These visual aids help your audience understand your data and insight effortlessly. To make your presentation more dynamic and engaging, MS PowerPoint 2021 offers a wide range of transition effects and animations. You can seamlessly transition between slides, apply entrance and exit animations to objects, and even create custom motion paths for specific elements when it's time to present. PowerPoint provides a dedicated slideshow mode that allows you to deliver your presentation smoothly. You can view your slides on a full screen display while keeping your speaker notes handy on your screen. Collaboration is made easy with MS PowerPoint 2021. You can share your presentations with others, allowing them to view and edit the content in real time. This feature enables seamless teamwork and ensures everyone stays on the same page. Another time-saving feature of PowerPoint is its vast library of pre-designed templates. These professionally crafted templates provide a variety of visual styles and layouts, allowing you to create polished presentations quickly. MS PowerPoint 2021 seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft tools such as Word and Excel. You can import content from these applications, making it effortless to incorporate existing documents and data into your presentation. Once your presentation is ready, MS PowerPoint 2021 offers multiple options for sharing and distribution. You can save your presentation as a PDF, share it via email, upload it to cloud storage, or even publish it on the web. And that concludes our introduction to MS PowerPoint 2021. With its array of features and intuitive interface, PowerPoint empowers you to create impactful presentations that leave a lasting impression. Stay tuned for more tutorials on advanced techniques and tips to enhance your PowerPoint skills.